The supply chain is definitely getting unbundled. We're seeing a transition towards asset-light, non-asset-based models. What we are predicting is that your future logistics provider may not necessarily own a truck or a delivery van. And we're already seeing examples of companies like Uber for Cargo, who are basically providing information on available capacity in white van providers, truck providers, and delivery vans. Big data will definitely be the enabler here. And I think a lot of logistics companies are referring to big data as being the new oil, and they're absolutely right. It's going to fuel a lot of services and a lot of products within the logistics industry. So they have to ensure that that product is available in a warehouse really close to your home. So the minute you click on the product order, you get it within minutes. And so what they're trying to do is develop this whole idea of anticipatory shipping, where they will track your behavior online, things like how long your cursor stayed on a particular product or what you've been browsing. And they're going to use all of that information to predict demand.
Connectivity and faster payment will make the industry react much quicker because you have new technologies available. You can do more goods transport. You can fill up your cargo much quicker. You can fill it up completely. You don't have less than truckload capacities, so which means you don't have any empty trucks going forward.
Online e-commerce sales as a total proportion of global retail sales will grow from 4% in 2009 to over 20% by 2025. But the influence on total purchase will actually be more than 40%, as every customer journey in the future will start online. Key drivers behind growth in e-commerce is high-speed connectivity, access to cheap mobile devices, emergence of new marketplace models like eBay and Amazon, and fourth and most importantly is the cost of logistics, especially city logistics, declining.
I think if you look at the value stack of autonomous driving, someone has to operate the logistics. I mean, it all sounds very high tech and sexy and cool, but actually moving large bits of metal and plastic around the city is actually physically and software. Actually, it's hard business. You have to be in the urban logistics business, I call it. There's a lot of topics that a lot of people are talking about now that 5 years ago no one was talking about. I mean no one. So I think it's becoming front of mind and it's definitely on the agenda, intelligent transport solutions, because to be honest with you, the transport system hasn't been that intelligent. And that's why there's a lot of pressure on it from outside in to make it intelligent, and it's like one of the last industries really to be disrupted by digitalization and connectivity.
So if you look on a global level, who is leading the race to global autonomy, there are 3 countries or regions that we have to mention. One is Japan, the other one is Europe and North America. So you have those 3 markets at the forefront of development. Others will follow at a later stage with significant lag, but those 3 are the most important ones that we see happening likely as early as 2019.